Hi, this is Dan Petrock. This is a video to show you how to get the ELO, or Essential Learning Outcome for Problem Solving, rubric kind of imported into your course and attached to the final project assignment if you would like to do this. Hopefully in the future it'll automatically be in there, but for the spring 2020, I know some of you are going to be doing the final project, and it'd be great if you would do this and do a quick assessment and put this rubric attached to that. So I'm going to show how to do that. So where I'm going to start first is in teams. So if you go into the math team, and if you go to the 157 channel, you will see under the files this it's under math one. Oh, it says right here, ELO problem solving math 157.zip. Okay, so this, if you click on that, that's going to be the file we're going to want to download. So actually, I'm going to go back. Sorry. So I'm actually going to go. I'm going to hit the little three dots here, and I'm going to hit download. So there it's downloaded. And there it is. It's in my downloads. So what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to save this where I can find it. I don't know. I'll just, let's see here. I'm going to hit cut, and I'm going to put it in my stats. I think I've already got it here, but anyway, I'll just show you how I do this. Tests 2020, and then I would just paste it there, right? So this is the problem solving ELO rubric for Blackboard. So got it off Teams, downloaded it, put it in my file. Great, now I can find it. So now I'm going to go into my stats class. I've got two of them right now. I'm going to go into my let's see here. I want to go into my course tools, and I want to go into rubrics, and I want to import a rubric. And notice I had done this before as a different version, but so import rubric, browse my computer, and there it is. Math ELO problem solving rubric, the one I just did. I'm going to click that, open, and submit. So this is what's going to be, and it looks like it worked. So if I look in my, again, if I go to my rubrics, there it is, the ELO problem solving rubric, math 157. So I think that's the one we want right there. So now I just need to attach this as a secondary rubric to my final project assignment. So I'm going to go to course content. Here it is. There's my final project area, and it's an assignment right here. Edit, put on, and go down here. So this is where the students would submit their final project. And if I hit edit, there it is. And I have to just click add rubric here, select rubric, and I'm going to do this one right here, ELO problem solving math 127, and I hit submit, and it says click OK to assign the rubric's max points. We're not going to use this as a scoring rubric, so I'm going to hit cancel, right? And by default, it says used for grading. Now you got to click here and just say, right here, mouse over and hit used for secondary evaluation. Boom. Now I can go ahead and just grade my rubric, and then I can click through this and score this for problem solving on the rubric. Now we are tweaking the actual problem. We're actually tweaking the assignment. We're hopefully coming up with a scoring rubric in the future, and this could still be used as a secondary rubric. We're working on that stuff right now, but I thought, you know what, before the end of the semester, if you want to go ahead and put this secondary rubric with your final project assignment so you can kind of play around with it and evaluate your students' problem solving ability with it, that would be awesome, and it would help inform us to help improve and create a scoring guide this summer. So if you're willing, that would be awesome. Like I said, in the future, hopefully this will just be the default. It'll have a scoring rubric and a secondary rubric for problem solving that will be built in. So look for communications on that. But I want to show you a quick video on how to get this put in for the spring 2020 if you'd like.